Pagkatapos ng mass, so kami pupunta na sa restaurant. Okay, hindi bumalik kami sa sakyan namin. We have to wait 40 minutes para makakain sa loob. And lahat ng restaurant na pinuntahan namin ay full pack. Ang waiting hours ay 2 hours, more than 2 hours. Wow. So this one is only 40 minutes. So kaya nagtiyaga na kami maghintay sa loob ng sasakyan.
And ano ulit ang pangalan ng restaurant na to?
Zen
Japanese Steakhouse?
Japanese Steakhouse.
Okay.
Yep. Hindi na kami nagpunta kasi it's more on mahaba ang pila sa hibachi side, no? Pero since sa amin ay sit down lang tayo.
It's a booth.
Sa booth kami. So 40 minutes na yung paghahantay namin. So okay na rin yun. Maaga pa naman. 6:30 pa lang.
Ito po. What is this? The inside? Ano?
As you can see, we are eating on lunch. Super crunch roll.
Oh, ito na po. We got our soup and salad for now. Waiting for our main entrees. Okay, so mommy's order came in. What is this one?
It's a super crunch roll.
Super crunchy. This has shrimp.
It's a shrimp tempura with tuna and the eel sauce.
Okay, cool. Ayan, dumating na po ang aming in order. Nick, what did you get?
Yakiniku.
Yakiniku. And this one is yakiniku with chicken. Alrighty. See you in a little bit. Yan na po. Tapos.
Subos.
Hindi mahilig sa gulay. Pero tapos.
Oh, never mind.
Uh-oh, the popo is over there. What happened? In front of
We're
a
up
Target
into
parking lot.
Target. Panera Bread. Zaxby's. Oh, Wendy's. Cheddar's. Yung Longhorn. Longhorn. Sobrang dami pa rin tao sa Longhorn. May nakapila pa rin ba sa labas? Wala na. Oh, mayroon pa din. Wow. High and mighty.
I think, you know, Waffle House had little flowers and tablecloths today.
Oh,
So romantic.
romantic Waffle House.
Our first date.
Hi, Lily. Hello, my girl, my girl. Where's the girl?
Good morning. Let's go check the weather outside first. So this is the weather right now. Dito po sa amin, maulan. And we were planning, well, we're still planning to go to take a trip and visit one of our, well, not one, our very first house na we're been wanting to sell. And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna visit it. At matagal na po namin hindi na check. So ito na po yung mga palinis namin. We're gonna put our tender loving care, ito po pagkain, just in case kami po yung mag-overnight doon. Si Lily nga po ay kasama namin. spend a night sa aming property na yun. So yun po, we'll keep you posted